coffee rolling. Or hot chocolate, I haven't really decided yet. Could do some mocha. I don't know yet. It will be a drink and it will be hot though. Alright, I do some coffee. Got my little coffee bag here. Pour over Black Rifle coffee. I gotta remember, less grounds this time because I kind of overdid it on my last outing of coffee. So. Two spoonfuls, I think. Yeah. Wasn't watching my water, and I got a nice rolling boil. There we go. All right. Set that down here for a second. Man, I've been really digging this GSI coffee strainer. Elevated my coffee game away from instant. Got a little. I actually like a lot of creamer. And Truvia. Sweet. Cheers, one and all, to your good health. Kampai. As I pull it down my throat. Yeah, drinking 101. Don't do what I just did. Yum. I'm gonna say I'm really liking the green bowl from the Stanley two-piece set as a drinking vessel. It holds more fluid, which makes me want to start the Green Bowl Society or the Green Bowl Club to go along with the Green Cup Club. Nothing wrong with drinking out of a bowl, and I need to change batteries. Today's lunch is going to be Huck Vittles bison stew. I've already got my water on, 430 calories, 12 ounces of water, let stand 15 minutes, stir and serve. So I got my water on already. It's crushed tomatoes, tomato puree, salt, citric acid, beans, mature seeds, ground bison. Yum. Oh, there's onions in it, but hopefully they'll be lost. Now, I used to eat Huck Vittles a lot more often when I camped, but I haven't really got a lot of camping in this last year. So actually last year I didn't camp at all. So I used to eat these quite often, and I'll link the Huck Vittles down below so you can go check them out. They actually have not bad pricing. I think this was like $6.50. I could be wrong, but I'll put it in the screen if I'm. So I'm gonna get this going and eat this because I'm kind of getting hungry. I'm pretty sure my water's at a boil because I see some action coming from it. And it is. I actually just used my pocket bellows and I gave it some very good press. Kind of kicked it up and then out of the log. Sweet. Thanks, Smoke. Now I actually reduced the water a bit. And I want it to come back up to a boil before I pull it, which is already doing that. So go ahead and lid it. Get it off the fire and just set it right there. Sweet. You know, I gotta be honest. When I came out here today, I was not in a good mood. I was very demoralized. Is that the right word? My morale was very low because my plans didn't work out. But now that I'm out here, I got a fire. We got lunch, warming up. My mood is significantly. My mood and my morals? Not moral. Morale. My morale is boosted. It could be the sunshine. It could be the fire. It could be the combination of the two. I'm out here. I don't have any technology in front of me. No computer. No laptop. I'm getting fresh air, sunshine. Got some coffee. Which is really hitting the spot, tell you what. Even though I'm not spending the night, I'm higher up here than when I got here. So, cheers. I didn't put too much grounds in, so my coffee's not all strong. I put too much in last time, I was like, okay, less coffee. So 2 spoonfuls seems about the trick. Plus cream and Truvia. And I forgot to look at the clock, so I don't know when my lunch will be done. Oh well. I'll just say 10. Maybe. Kind of a messy camp. Stuff scattered everywhere. Fire kit sitting out, knife still out, saw, bag just laying there. Oh, what are you gonna do? Alright, just making up a beverage. I just got a Powerade bottle here. I got these sugar-free crystal lights you can get at the store. I don't think the camera is going to show it, but it's just, you know, they're sugar-free. Get a little peach iced tea to go with my lunch. Oh, why did I do that? Why did I do that? I put the cap in there, and of course, hang on. Man, it's a good thing my head's attached. Of course, the cap, I don't want to waste water. Oh man, well I know the lid is clean. There we go. I needed the lid so I could shake it up. Alright. Alright, let's check that stew out. It's gotta have been 15 minutes by now at least. So. Oh yeah. There she is. There's still a little bit of water in there too. Oh yeah, there's couscous in here too. I forgot to mention that. I've had this before quite a long time ago. I might set it right there and just give it another few just to make sure. Alright, it's only been a few minutes, but I'm getting hungry / impatient, so I'm gonna add just a little bit of Parmesan cheese. I just got a couple packets here. I think it was from a pizza place. I don't know why, but I like Parmesan cheese in my stew. Sweet. Lid off. Pull this. Alright, so here's the stew. It's a bison, couscous, some other things. Let's give it a taste. Alright, I keep having to step over into the shade so it's not too bright on camera. Here we go. Hochvittel's bison stew. Oh yeah. Money. Mm-hmm. Beans are a little underdone. Probably pulled a little too soon. It's still very good though. I'm gonna go sit down and eat this.